Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, in this occasion I want to share information about my portfolio. But before we start, don't forget subscribe to my channel and follow my social media Instagram. Okay. So next, the first is there is my CV. Maybe you all know about my name. My name is Fatah Farid Ridwan. And this wrong the age. I'm 15 years old. And in CV there is my skills, my education when I in
That's so hard, big.
SD, and my contact. There is my phone and email, and there is my experience like I teach basket competition, Mission Impossible, and Edu Race. And there is my live. And this is like same before, but this is not CV. This is my just like my text, like a motivation, not very, but like an introduction from me. And there's my skills, but only there's like logo and there's my photo too, not a formal photo. Okay, next, the first is there's a list of content. This is my list of content. There is the first is game, second robotic, third multimedia, fourth website, 5 Android, 6 Dinia, 7 English, 8 certificate, and the last is experience. Okay, the first is my game project. In here, there is a switching ball. Switching ball is a game like you must control the ball with a red arrow and avoiding the obstacles. And you must finish the level. In here, I make maybe a 3 level in this game. I custom this game, and I make this in Buildbox platform. Going next to the second game project. In here, there's a block breaker. In here, you must control the like a wood. There's a wood, and you must you bounce the ball in the wood, and after that you break the blocks. In here there is 12 blocks. You must touch all, and after that you can win. And in this game I make in Scratch. Okay, we're next to the third game. In here I make the Defender. The Defender is game I make in Scratch. Where player control a tank and defend the area. In here there is maybe, but in here there is no documentation, only the home. And you control the tank and shoot the other tank. And in here there is a level. I make the level easy, normal, and hard, like that. And fourth, I make a Bomberman. It's like games where players control a Bomberman character to blow up enemies by placing bombs around the map. And here there is enemies and there's blocks. And I make this game in Scratch. Next to the last in game project, I make Earthquake Run. Earthquake Run is a game made in Buildbox. I make this in Buildbox, and I make this game not alone. I made Rafa to make this game. This is like maybe you know about the Subway Surf game. It's same, but in this game there is like earthquake. Vibration effect like earthquake, you know, and there is obstacle and berries in here you can see same, and I make this in Buildbox. I'm going next to robotic project. The first disaster alarm. The first on portfolio is project that there is a 3 sensor, like the first is earthquake sensor or fire, and water sensor, and the last is like fire, detective fire. And I make this project not alone. I make this project before with Danish, and I use platform Microbit for this project. And the second is Smart Trash Bin. Smart Trash Bin, I make this in Microbit, and there is a sensor to detect trash. There is a sensor, maybe you can see in here, and there is a Microbit in here. I make this project not alone, but there is my friend, but I forgot the team. And this, if you there is maybe your hand in here, he send a notification via wireless to your laptop or to KBD. Yes, there is a platform, there's a logo icon KBD, and like that. This I made this project when I'm a grade. Okay, next to the fourth maybe. I like smart farming. Smart farming is a project made in Microbit, integrating sensor to monitor environmental factor like temperature, humidity, and soil moisture. This sensor maybe I use like before. This sensor there is a disaster alarm, but this different with smart farming. Yeah. Before this disaster alarm is use Microbit, but this use KBD. Okay, next to the last maybe vending machine. Vending machine is project with Microbit. I make a Microbit, creating a mini vending. This and there's my logo, AK logo. Where user can select items, or but only just use coin. And after that, there is a product. There's items. Last time when I grade, we use candy to this vending machine, and I make in Microbit. Okay, this again. This is the last. I make robot light follower. Robot follower. I make this in Microbit. A simple robot. Just the robot is following the line, and the coding is simple. Maybe you can see my YouTube channel how to make this game, how to make this robot line follow. Just scan in my QR code. I'll directly go to my YouTube tutorial. Okay, we next to the multimedia project. The first is there is a visual merchandise. Visual merchandise is smart mockup. It's about designing product. There's a T-shirt, glasses, book, and other. And I make this project. I use smart mockup. Maybe you all know about the smart mockup. You just import the image, and the smart mockup will be generating the items. Okay, we next to the photo manipulation. Photo manipulation is Photoshop. But in here in logo I use Photoshop, but when I grade I use Photovia to make this project. And I make like there is a neon in the element, you can see in the photo. And if you want to see my other project, you can scan my QR code. Okay, the next to third project. In here I make illustration. This is my first project when I grade. I make this in Figma and use pen tool feature, and maybe and I use like this. I use batik 10, batik nasional Indonesia, and I use platform Figma to make this. And next project I make Instagram posting. Instagram posting is the designing and Instagram post. Maybe you can see. I make a recommendation, most affordable, and there is a second post in here. I just like change the mouse and the description and the price. And after this, I make to one frame, and I make this in Figma platform. And when next to the animation dakwah, animation create. I make this in head film, and I import asset import, condition adjustment, element animation, visual effect, and other. In here I make not alone. I with Parikur, Yudik, and I forgot. And with Pasha, I forgot. And in here I make the animation, and my friends is other task. In here I use it film platform. Maybe you can scan the QR code and auto directly to my video animation dakwah in YouTube. Okay, we next to website. The first is my portfolio website. This is my portfolio. I create this in WordPress, and there is like my skill, my project, my portfolio, my achievement, gallery, contact, and other. But in portfolio website, I not use Elementor. I just use normal. And like that, if you want to see my website, you just scan the QR code. And then next to the website, most websites, I made this in WordPress, and like there is gallery, most profile, customizing, select the time, and in the time I forgot the name of the time because the website is already, I don't know, can access again. But if you want to see my demo, you can scan my QR code. Okay, we next to the school website. Same like my portfolio and most website. I make this in WordPress, and I just add the like home, profile, academic, information, news, achievement, PPDB, and contact. And I use my old school when I was there, and like that. I not use Elementor, same like before, just normal. And if you want to see my demo school website, you just scan my QR code. Okay, next to Android project. The first is I make calculator app. Calculator app create in Codera. I make in Codera. Like there is like mathematical calculation on smartphone or tablet. I make this in laptop, you use Codera. And there is like calculator, and square, rectangle, triangle, rhombus, parallelogram, circle, and trapeze, and mini game. Okay, we next to my second project. There is a radio online. Radio online same. I make with Codera, but in this project, you can play radio from. In here I use alarm FM, like this. Okay guys, we continue again. And my second project in Android is radio online. Radio online is application to play radio, monotal, like monotal, and other you can setting in the Codera platform. But in here I use Kalam FM. Kalam FM is like monotal, free monotal to use the APK, and I input in my Codera project, radio online project, and the display only like this, only there's a poster and the play button. And the third is calculator zakat. Calculator zakat is application I make in Android Studio. This application the one maybe one feature in Bitaqwa app. Maybe you know about the Bitaqwa app. Calculator zakat you can count you have, and if you input the nominal in here and you click OK, will be there is zakat and the total money you have. And I make this application in Android Studio. Going next to the doa-doa harian. Doa-doa harian is the feature in Habitaqwa app, but in here there is like many doa. For the example, there is doa bangun tidur, and there is ada hadis, or yes, there is a hadis, and only like this the display, and I make in Android Studio. I go next to the last project in the Android. Okay, I make a Find My Age. Find My Age is application to find someone age and contains motivational words. There is a motivational words, and there is a age, and there is a picture. And if you put your age in here, and for example in here to 2008, and you will be 15, and there is like a motivational word, and there is a text if you is teenager. The next to Dunia project. First is I make Etika di Jalanan. This is a poster I make when I grade, and I make in a Figma software. Maybe you know about the Figma. And I in this project I just like add a text and edit the font and add like a photo I get in Unsplash, like a stock photo. Okay, we next again to the second project. In here I make mind mapping. The name is Adap-Adap in Friday. I made this mind map when I was in 8th grade, and I made in Figma software with the theme Friday, Adap-Adap in Friday, and I make it in Figma. Okay, we next to the animation dakwah. Animation dakwah I make in hit film. There is asset import, and in here same like before in multimedia project. Yeah, maybe you know before this is same. Okay, we next to the English project. The first short movie. In here, I make this short movie when I was in class in 7th grade. I make this short movie with Guntur, Vika, Rafa, Danis, and the minimum is 5 minutes because this is the first final project in 7th grade in semester 1 with the topic the impact of vanity. Okay, next to the podcast. I made this video podcast when I grade with Guntur and Albi. I make this when I grade semester 1 or 2, I forgot. With the time Talk Live podcast, and the minimum is 12 minutes. I'll go with next final project. Here I made a final project in English subject where students were required to make 3 times add-ons. The first was an interview. The first project is there's an interview, and the second is country report. You explain about the country, and the last is favorite project. You make a slide and you tell about your favorite project, and the minimum is 25 minutes. And okay, we next to the certificate. The first certificate I made is gender competition. Is when I grade this wrong, and I only got medal the English subject when semester 2 for this semester 2 in I grade this wrong. Okay, we next to the the second declare. This maybe the easier certificate. You just answer the questions, and this certificate is about the data science. you just complete the question and you will be get the certificate this. Okay, next the 17 August, this like kemerdekaan, maybe you know. I get this when I 7th grade, when the first semester. There is a competition. I'm make a video, English video, and I want to place when I 7th grade. Okay, when next to the project, this is same like the lab. This easy certificate to get. You just complete the task or the question, and you will be get the certificate. Okay, when next the Kode RG. Nah, this same like the lab and before what project, yeah. You just like this like a making game, Flappy Bird. I forgot Flappy Bird on Minecraft. I get this and you just complete the coding and you will be get the certificate. Okay, we next to the experience. The first is I didn't teach. When I did, I teach in the Sakrabunan Depok, in Depok, and I teach about IoT. There is three subjects. The first is like robot following, and the second is suite, and the last is just two. And the second teach is I teach in Alansor, and I teach about how to make a block breaker game. And the second I forgot, and I teach with Abdul, Pasha, and Rafa, and Danis. Okay, we next to the second experience. The second is Edurace. Edurace is even from the dormitory, and you must go to the Kota Tua in Jakarta with the small budget, and there is no teachers help or others, and you get maybe 7 people in one team, and I with Adit, Ardi, Yahya, and other I forgot again the team. Okay, we next to the third experience. The third experience is Susur 2. I participate in Susur 2 when I in 9th grade. Last time I forgot February maybe. And in Ciwadon Cave, like this the photo. You just go to the cave and photo and take a photo in the Ciwadon Cave. Okay, we next to the weekend tech talk. I make this when I grade with Abil with the topic how to make a 3D in Spline. And when I in semester 1. Okay, when next to the last experience. The last is basket competition. In here I join basketball competition when I in class 9 in semester 2 when 30 January. Yes. In what? In Bintang Pelajar School. But unfortunately we couldn't win the competition. Okay, thank you guys to see my portfolio when my project when I submitted until 9th grade. If I have some mistakes, please forgive me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.